This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone camera not working issue after your last iOS update. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to fix this camera not working issue. The first solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and security, and here tap on camera and make sure to enable all of these options from here and then check the issue. The second solution is tap and hold the camera app, tap on remove app, tap on remove from home screen. Once it's removed, go to your app library and here search camera, tap and hold camera, and from here you have to add the camera to your home screen again, and then try to relaunch the app and check the issue. The third solution is give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your iPhone camera not working problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.